In recent years, production sites have faced mounting challenges, coping with labor shortages through task prioritization and operational efficiency, and finding ways to compensate for the loss of expertise as seasoned professionals retire from the workforce, especially their ability to detect equipment anomalies. These issues continue to accumulate, demanding innovative solutions. One solution to these challenges is the evolution of field devices, such as control valve positioners and flow meters, that now connect not only to the DCS through traditional 4 to 20 milliamp analog signals, but also to asset management systems via digital communication exemplified by heart signals. In this video, we'll introduce how Azbil's asset management system, InnovativeField Organizer, can make a real difference in your production environment. The first efficiency offered by InnovativeField Organizer. You can safely change field device settings from the control room. This eliminates the time spent locating wiring for the target device on-site and removes the need for dangerous tasks in hard-to-access areas, such as elevated work areas, helping ensure worker safety while improving overall efficiency. The second efficiency offered by InnovativeField Organizer. It dramatically reduces workload by automating loop checks. Traditionally, this process required a pair of operators, one in the field and one in the control room, spending several days to complete. With InnovativeField Organizer, a single operator in the control room can finish the task in just a few hours with a simple click. The first way InnovativeField Organizer safeguards productivity. It minimizes production losses caused by field device failures. In the past, malfunctions often went unnoticed for extended periods, leading to significant losses. Now, with InnovativeField Organizer, you receive immediate alerts through sound and on-screen pop-ups, allowing you to take action before the issue escalates. The second way InnovativeField Organizer safeguards productivity. By visualizing the health status of control valves, it helps prevent production losses caused by valve malfunctions. InnovativeField Organizer can incorporate Azbil's valve maintenance support system, PLUG-IN Valstaff. This system enables visualization and alarm notifications based on data collected from Azbil's heart-compatible smart valve positioners. Next, we'll show examples of valve conditions revealed through this visualization. Example 1. Stick slip. Stick slip occurs when excessive friction develops in the sliding parts of a control valve, hindering smooth movement. PLUG-IN Valstaff detects early indicators of abnormal operation caused by fluid buildup or sticking in the valve sliding section. This enables proactive maintenance, such as disassembly and overhaul, before control performance deteriorates. Example 2. Wear of consumable parts. There is a clear correlation between the degree of movement in the valve sliding section and the deterioration of consumable components such as gland packing. PLUG-IN Valstaff records the total stroke of the control valve and can trigger alarms at any preset threshold. This helps you schedule timely replacement of consumable parts before fluid leakage causes material loss or energy waste. Example 3. Wear in the flow path. PLUG-IN Valstaff displays the frequency of valve operation at each opening position as a travel histogram. By monitoring changes in its distribution over time, you can evaluate the condition of seat rings and plug components. For instance, when these parts wear, the valve compensates to maintain flow, resulting in lower openings and a distribution skewed toward smaller positions. Example 4. Plug and seat ring damage. When process conditions change, such as product grade changes or operating adjustments, the control valve may operate at unexpectedly low openings. This increases contact between the plug and seat ring, raising the risk of damage to both. In such cases, the total shutoff count, which records how often the valve reaches full closure, rises sharply, and the opening trend shifts towards lower positions. By monitoring these trends over a given period, you can take corrective actions, such as re-evaluating valve sizing. Example 5. Actuator internal abnormalities. When an abnormality occurs inside the actuator, it can affect control performance. For instance, if a spring breaks or shifts, the balance between the spring and air pressure is disrupted, requiring an excessive amount of air to operate. When combined with Azbil's Smart Valve Positioner 700 series, Plug-in Valstaff compares actual air pressure at each opening against thresholds set during initial configuration, detecting deviations and issuing alerts. Azbil leverages the expertise cultivated together with customers in the field to help solve pressing challenges in production sites, such as labor shortages and the transfer of technical know-how.